Hey, I'm Jeff Clark from 5 Cents Coffee, and I'm going to be talking about latte art. So latte art is the process of pouring steamed milk into espresso and forming a pattern on the top. To achieve this, you need really good quality milk. So essentially the higher the fat content, the easier it's going to be. Skim milk's going to be hard, full cream milk is going to be easy. Essentially what we're doing is we're pouring the steamed milk in, we've put a foam layer on the steamed milk, and this is actually going to be suspended in the espresso, and the crema of the espresso specifically. So as the cup fills up, what you need to do is bring the jug down really close to the coffee, and that's going to help it suspend on the top layer. Now to create patterns, it's all about how you place and how you move the milk jug. If you wiggle the milk jug, it's going to create some lines. The faster you wiggle, the smaller the lines. The slower you wiggle, the bigger the lines. The rest is just based on where you position the jug, how you move it, if you push it forward, if you push it back. That's pretty much it. There's a lot of different patterns. They've all got their own specific techniques. But yeah, that's latte art.